Is this the end angle? Eto na si
Channel W for you.
Gagamitan naman yung AOG para makatakas muna doon sa likod. At ngayon, it's back to the ball game. JP low HP, Kirk as well, hindi pwede masyado umabante. He's gonna have to walk all the way from the base. And si King Kong nag-aanap ng pwedeng opportunity. Brusco going for JP pero magagamit muna yung immortality. He's not gonna get taken out. It's gonna be Onyx trying to just not die. Super Prince looking for an opening doon sa kanan. And it's a full reset na naman.
Kalmado lang si Brusco. Second skill lang ginamit, hindi yung ultimate. Immortality is important sa mga ganitong moment. Kasi Sanford dodging itong si King Kong. Ganun naka-sweating laban. Pero this will favor Team Liquid dahil kailangan may umuwi dun sa may top lane. And that's actually Super Prince. It's a big opening for Liquid.
They have to blitz it 100%. They're gonna blitz it and there goes that AOG that we are looking for. Tidal Strike na din nagamit. And there's gonna be, there you go. The big knockup that we're waiting for. Super Prince all had to win all the way, and Ruby DD play coming in from Super Prince. I think that will be a very crucial play. Naku po, and may assist pa ng Lord dito sa gilid. Oh my goodness, everything fell apart there for TL. 2 down, pero looks like dalawa din ang nawala sa Onyx.
Oh, that was so close. Pero nandito na nagmamadali itong si Sanji as well as si Sanford.
Tinatakbo nila!
Papagyuhin na! Tinatakbo na! 6 seconds bago mag-spawn ng minions.
Hindi makauwi!
Brusco's here!
Hindi
Is this the end angle? Eto na si Prince!
Oh my goodness, they are in range of the base.
Oh
One more hit will take it. Pero walang minion na nakadikit. Chessman pinipilit na with all his might para hampasin yung base. Pero hindi talaga sapat. And Team Liquid Philippines will get wiped out. One hit moment na naman.
Kelra and friends! Ito yung hinahanap ng Onyx Philippines. Kapag naprotektahan yung DPS nila, they're gonna profit. Pinanish nila ng malala itong si JP. They have sacrificed King Kong. Brusco was on point. But of course, the DPS of Onyx Philippines so good. Kel1 can only stand. And that's Onyx Philippines by a hair of opportunity na
Channel W for you.